if you suffer from one or more ailments described in this video. Check out 5 awesome natural remedies to boost your health in 2023 without using drugs. Find the one that matches what you're dealing with and take action for maximum results. Remedy number 1. One Food High Cholesterol Cure. We are going to reveal a little-known secret to tackling cholesterol plaque, previously only available to the rich and famous. Did you know that cutting out one ingredient can lower your cholesterol and clear up clogged arteries? It's true. Prevent diseases like stroke and heart attack by making this simple change. You'll feel amazing, boost your energy, and have healthier arteries by cutting out just one simple ingredient you didn't even know you were consuming. That's right. We're not talking about your favorite beefsteak, butter, fat, or any other product you're consciously eating. We're not even talking about cholesterol as you know it. And now, it's your turn to experience this incredible transformation. Because after you start using the cholesterol strategy and begin putting even only 1 or 2 things into action, you're going to feel fantastic. Your heart's arteries will unclog, and you'll feel more power and energy than you have for years. As more blood flows to your skin, you're going to look younger and feel more energized than you thought possible. Preventing diseases such as stroke and heart attack, plus loading you with power and vigor. For more information, please check out the link in the description of this video. Remedy number 2, High Blood Pressure Program. Got high blood pressure? No worries. In just a few minutes, you can potentially lower it below 120 to 80 without medication or strict diet. Thousands have already tried this incredible technique, and you can too. Get the High Blood Pressure Program and take control of your health with 3 simple exercises. No more worries about your blood pressure. Let me share some exciting news with you. Recent research has discovered that one single organ is responsible for almost all cases of high blood pressure. And it's not what you might expect. It's not the heart, the kidneys, or the arteries. By addressing this one organ, you can lower your blood pressure without medications, supplements, or diet changes. And guess what? It doesn't matter if you're overweight, out of shape, or older than the dawn of time. You can do this from the comfort of your own home in a pleasurable and relaxing way. For more information, please check out the link in the description of this video. Remedy number 3, the Prostate Protocol. Tired of dealing with the discomfort and inconvenience caused by prostate issues? We understand the challenges you face. And we're here to provide you with a natural solution that could significantly alleviate your health problem. Yes, you heard that right. Despite what your doctor may tell you. Men, listen up. The Prostate Protocol is here to help you take care of your prostate without medical interventions. Follow the easy steps in this program and see results in just 3 weeks. You'll sleep better, reduce your risks of prostate cancer, and improve your overall health. Check the link in the video's description for more information. Remedy number 4, the back pain breakthrough. I was so desperate, so I tried everything. Yet despite all my efforts, the pain got worse and worse. My hopes had been shattered so many times. I thought I was destined to live with back pain forever. Just when I thought it couldn't get any worse, my doctor sat me down. The doctor told me that I would need emergency surgery on my spine because my back is so damaged that the discs are about to snap. Without immediate surgery, the sharp discs in my back would break, slicing my spinal cord in half, and leaving me paralyzed from the waist down. If this sounds like you, we have great news for you. We are going to introduce you to the method that helped thousands of people to get rid of their back pain naturally in less than 3 weeks. No chiropractors, physical therapy, invasive medical procedures, addictive pain pills, or bogus supplements. This is why this is the #1 program for anyone suffering from back pain. It is called Back Pain Breakthrough for a reason. You'll learn surprising tips to stay pain-free all day long, and it's backed by top experts from Harvard, Stanford, and Yale. Try it out and feel relief very quickly. Link is in the video's description. Number 5. Medicinal Garden Kit, your bonus remedy. Imagine stepping into your backyard and looking at your new colorful medicinal garden. Your backyard will smell of fresh lavender and chamomile. Wouldn't that be great if you could also pick any of these medicinal plants and turn it into the remedy you need at the same time? Now you can do this by using a medicinal garden kit that will empower you and other people to take their health into their own hands. We think everyone should have a medicinal garden in their backyard. There is no reason to take something made in lab, when you can first try a natural remedy you grow at home. You can easily go and pick up the remedy you need at any time. Your backyard pharmacy will be there for you even in times of crisis when regular pharmacies might be closed or even looted. You will get all the seeds for 10 herbs inside that medicinal garden kit. These seeds have been hand-picked from the very best plants, as we wanted nothing less than premium quality seeds in the products that we recommend. With your seeds kit, you'll also receive a free copy of Herbal Medicinal Guide, From Seeds to Remedies. This guide will show you how to turn these 10 plants into tinctures, ointments, salves, poultices, decoctions, infusions, and essential oils, all in a matter of minutes. You will be able to follow our guide even if you've never made an herbal medicine in your life. Embrace the power of nature, nourish your body and soul with its gifts, and embark on a journey of holistic well-being. Remember, the answers to our ailments and the path to vibrant health can often be found in the simplest and most natural of remedies. Click the link in the video description for the exact details of these great offers. Please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel.